ladies and gentlemen, this is Amber coming to you with the FRAG View, coming to you with another video review, and today we are going to get into some Middle Eastern fragrances that I have recently purchased and my thoughts on those. So if you're interested in hearing those thoughts, just keep watching. Hello family, welcome back. Hey, welcome back family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel we review fragrances and body care, and we spill, sip a little tea from here and there. Your sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me a thumbs up, comment down below. We'd love to get to know you and meet you. And hey family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey new family, I see y'all. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it. We have some Middle Eastern fragrances that I have recently acquired, some of them. So I mentioned both on this channel, and I wanted to get a little bit of a deeper dive into the fragrances now that I've had some time to deep dive. But we have Vintage Radio, and some of you all have asked me about this, okay? And this is from Lattafa. When I first picked up this fragrance, I actually thought the bottle was going to be this Vintage Radio. That would have been really neat. I said that before, but it is not, which is fine. It looks like the packaging on the box. So it does look like this, but it is weighted. This is a very good packaging type of fragrance, which Lattafa normally is, and this is Vintage Radio. Okay, this is supposed to be a dupe of the Initio fragrance Paragon. Have you all heard of that fragrance? That is a fragrance that I've always wanted in my collection. I just haven't been able to get my coins on it as of yet. I'm a part of the Scentbird subscription, which I highly suggest if you are wanting to dibble and dabble into fragrances and try different fragrances. You know, be a part of any subscription fragrances. Anyway, Initio Paragon was one of them that I absolutely adored and loved and wanted to get my coins on this. Now, let's talk about the coins part. This fragrance is an Initio fragrance, which is a niche house. And so that price, ooh, is so good. I just sprayed it. Sorry. So that fragrance is about $370. So in the later three, right, about $400.
Are you crazy?
I'm sorry.
Y'all are stupid!
David, please.
Get off me! Do you hear me? Do you hear me? Y'all can't do me like this!
You can probably get it at a good discount. You probably can find it even in the late threes, maybe in the late twos for a discount on some different sites. But either way, that fragrance has always stood out to me, that I want a part of my collection from the Initio house, and it is so good. And in this season, this is absolutely a refreshing fragrance to me. It gives me this plum, so it gives that darkness, but it also to me gives this fresh type of scent. I can't explain it, and it's so unique. And that's what I also love about this fragrance, that it doesn't smell like everything in my collection. It does give it like, it's almost like a red carpet look, right? You don't want to look like all the girls. You want to look a little bit unique. You want to stand out. And this is one that stands out to me. Oh, it is so pretty. So when I saw that Vintage Radio is supposed to be a dupe for that fragrance, I was like, sign me up. Add to cart quick, okay? And you can get this on Joma Shop, okay? So Joma Shop, I just recently checked, has this in stock. Don't know how long, but they do have this in stock. Would I say this is a good dupe? I would have to say absolutely, especially at the dry down, okay? When the initial spray comes on, I will say it's a little bit more sharp than the Initio does. Like, Initio is just smooth in itself, right? So this does come on sharp, but that sharpness does not stay forever or long. And when that dry down happens, I'm smelling both tomato. What's the difference? It's only the initial spray, which again lasts for seconds, not minutes, seconds, okay? It just sprays on just sharp. That's it. Other than that, it's the same, and this is such a good dupe. If you have been interested in the Initio Parfum Privé line, I would highly recommend you get this one if you're not ready to spend the coins and the $3.70 that it is. If you want to come on down, trickle on down.
Come on down! You're the next contestant on that price is right. Come on!
To about a $30 bottle, okay? That gives you the same scent at the end of the day, all right? This is so good, and for I know not everybody's a duper, but those that do love a good dupe, this is a really good one. Highly recommend. Again, this is on Joma Shop. You can get it. Let's get into the notes. So top notes, we have lavender, sage, bergamot. Middle notes, we have plum, we have Palo Santo, we have black pepper. And base notes, we have sandalwood and amberwood. Again, this is such a great fragrance. It gives you that aromatic feel, so that fresh feel, with maybe it's that lavender in it. This is so good, but it also has that wood. It has that, oh my goodness, you can wear this. This is like an everyday scent. You can wear this every day if you want to. Definitely for this fall season, this is what you want to do, okay? But that plum just deepens it a little bit, and it gives us this like next level umphness. I just can't explain it. It is so good. Again, highly recommend. I have tested both, and when I say this is a good dupe. Longevity, this is amazing with longevity. It lasts all day. When I tell you, for a $34.99 bottle, Lattafa does it really good anyway, those that are familiar, but the longevity is chef's kiss, okay? It is the same. Again, the only difference that I experienced with this was at initial spray, and that is it. It wasn't a turn off. It was just different from how Initio comes out. But since you have this, will you be getting the actual Initio Parfums fragrance? I don't know. Actually, I am really stuck on answering that question right now, because I really enjoyed this, and this is really really close to this. So I don't know if I'm just gonna spend $400 just to have the Initio brand, even though I love the house. It's probably one of my favorite houses, but if I do, it won't be anytime soon, and it might be a gift, maybe not my own coin, if you know what I'm saying. Okay, moving on. Next up, I talked about this as this is another dupe, and this is Vanilla So Sweet. And this is supposed to be a dupe of Guerlain Spiritueux Double Vanille. Now, what I will say, I do not have the actual Guerlain fragrance to compare this to. But what I will say, and this is the bottle, what I will say for this fragrance, if Guerlain Spiritueux Double Vanille smells like this, it's everything. It is such, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It just, I don't know what to say. What do they want me to say? It smells so good. When I say this is such a beautiful sweet vanilla. And again, I can't compare it, but I believe you if it does compare. This is everything, okay? It is currently, I got this on Triple Traders. It is currently sold out. I'm sorry. I told y'all about this when I first got this. It was still there. It is now sold out. The next time I talk about something, just make sure you get on. But I am sure that Triple Traders will re-up on this, because this is one to get for all seasons. This is a beautiful signature scent, okay? I don't talk about signature scents a lot because I'm a Gemini, okay? We can't make up our mind on the daily. No shade on Gemini. We change her mind all the time.
No. You don't have schizophrenia.
No. Yes, you do.
Okay. But this is one for the signature scent girlies. Like, I could see someone wearing this every day, all seasons, all the time. Fall, winter, spring, summer, whenever you want to wear this, you can. Brunch, date night. This is so beautiful. So if you are looking for a sweet vanilla, I would highly recommend you keep your eye out on this one. This is from Fragrant World. Oh, it's so good. Again, if Spirituelle Double Vanille smells like this, I've been missing out. It is so good. It just keeps grabbing me up and holding me. It is amazing. Okay, let's go over the notes. So, picking out the notes that are located on Triple Traders, we have incense cedarwood. We have some spicy pink pepper accords. We have some citrus bergamot. We have also some vanilla on top of vanilla, okay? And ylang ylang. This is so pretty, you all. Highly recommend. Again, keep your eye out on this. I will try to keep my eye out on this for you all, but this is everything, okay? This has entered my November tray, and I might recycle her for December. That's how good this is, okay? Moving on. So another fragrance that I have recently been eyeing on Triple Traders is French Coffee, okay? And we'll put it up on the screen what the bottle looks like. But when I say, I read the notes and I was like, sign me up, okay? It has coffee, warm, spicy, vanilla, chocolate, sweet, and powdery. Does that not smell delicious? That smells delicious to me. And the price is everything. The price is sitting at $29.99.
Say what?
Okay, it is right now on sale, and as we are talking, I am adding to cart, and it will be my way, and I will review that for you all. But I have been interested in some coffee notes for this season, and I cannot wait to review that for you all. It is coming to me, so I can tell the family. Right now, it has a cross out amount, and I'm going to keep it real. It has a cross out amount of $45. If this fragrance was originally $45 and now it's on sale for $29.99, make it make sense. You make it make sense. And then come back to me. I don't know what we waiting on. So I would highly recommend. I am going to blind buy it. Check it out. If you are into coffee and chocolate and all, you might want to check it out too. But to close out, I have some fragrances that I just wanted to come to you all and tell you all about. If you are on Triple Traders, it might be something you might be interested in looking at. We have Vanille Tobacco. If you are into a tobacco fragrance, I've talked about this a time or two or 20. This is a really good one. Again, we have talked about this before, the Tom Ford. I think it's Tobacco Vanille. Sometimes I like it, sometimes I don't. And I just didn't want to pay $400 for something I like, don't like. No. I'd rather pay $30, $25, and then call it a day. But that is a good one for the fall. Also, if you are looking for a good date night and you don't have this one, this is the Barakkat Satin Oud. Barakkat has this fragrance, and it's a gold one like this. I compared both the Barakkat brand and the MFK one, and the dupe was duping, okay? The one and the same, okay? So some of you all might have the gentle one that is of Barakkat, but this Satin Oud one for this season is so good. And this is supposed to be a dupe of the MFK Oud Satin Mood fragrance. Barakkat did it so well. I have tried Oud Satin Mood in store, and I've always wanted that fragrance. It hasn't been like something that I'm like, oh, let me get now. Like, I didn't immediately need it. But this one, I'm not rushing. Okay, now the cap is plastic, and it's full of mess. Okay, the cap is cheap. But the bottle itself is glass and beautiful. And it gives you, it's just a bigger bottle, okay, of Oud Satin Oud. But the smell, one and the same. One and the same. And I ain't lying. Barakkat, to me, does it really good. For the MFK brand, Mason Francis Kurkdjian dupes, they do it really well. Really well. So, hit up Barakkat. You can also get this on Triple Traders if you're interested, and get Barakkat Satin Oud. It is a great date night and a night night.
You ever go night night? You ever go night night? Everybody go night night.
A nightcap. Moving on. And last but certainly not least, my auntie Eileen gave me this combo, and I am a believer. Test this out. So if you have Nebras from Lattafa, she said this paired with Beach Nights from Bath and Body Works, you put this together, it's amazing, and she is absolutely correct, okay? I paired these, and this is such a good pairing. So, highly recommend you get this. This is another, like, chocolate chip, chocolatey, so goody type of fragrance, gourmand type of fragrance. So, Nebras, and this was really popular, I want to say last year, that this was really popular. Now it's slowed down. So you can also get this on Triple Trader at a good price. But when I say that pairing, everything. So thank you, Auntie Arlene, for recommending this on your channel. I will link her channel below. Check her out. But thank you so much for recommending that. I highly enjoyed this combination. It's a good one, okay? Moving on. That is all. That's all, family, for my Middle Eastern fragrances that I have been wearing for the fall. So let me know, what Middle Eastern fragrances have you been rocking and rolling with? I would love to know. Let me know down in the comments. Make sure you subscribe, give it a thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, make sure that you are good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, family. I love you. Enjoy your weekend. See you Monday. Bye.